Assalamualaikum guys, I've been here since around about 10ish when the store opened up. We're here at the Morrison's entrance, so just across Greenley Masjid over there. We set up a stall for an emergency appeal that Task Force is doing. It's supporting the children of Yemen. We're doing all sorts inshallah, so if you have any change lying around, please do come through inshallah. We're here all day, we're taking donations, okay? Alhamdulillah, we have just unloaded the van. We have a delivery of all the essential items such as pasta, sugar and tea. We are packing iftar packs for Women's Aid.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We're just on our way to London to the Islam Channel headquarters, and inshallah we're going to have a 12-hour fundraising slot, all for Gaza. So brothers and sisters, please donate what you can, and inshallah we'll meet our fundraising goal tonight. Jazakallah khair.
Alhamdulillah, we just took a little break to pray Asr Salah. As you can see, Sheikh's given us a reminder on the importance of Salah. We'll make our way after inshallah.
We're setting up the iftar for our annual Macmillan Cancer Iftar, sponsored by Macmillan and in conjunction with Greenley Masjid and Community Centre. We've got an amazing selection of food. On that side we've got the sisters, mashallah, a much larger amount than the brothers this year. Alhamdulillah, a very, very good event.
We're at Unity FM. Today we're raising money for Sudan food crisis, and we've been on radio from about 1 p.m. We're going to go all the way to 11 p.m. So inshallah you guys are donating, and it helps us send these food packs away to
Prophet ﷺ told us that no, you can't have two witr in one night. اجعلوا آخر صلاتكم من الليل وترا.
As you can see, we've got the BFS event taking place. We've got over 70 students from all across the UK. We're almost finished now. We're going to break our fast soon.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Got pizza for the BMS event. Gonna fill our bellies.
We're here, we've just got to London. Inshallah we're just heading to the studio now, and we're going to kick off the fundraiser, start donating.
We're mic'd up now, just about to go on to TV. Next slot is 7:15. We're here in the Islam Channel studios in London, live raising funds for Gaza water.
Brothers and sisters, so as you can see, we're here on the studio. We're about to start inshallah ta'ala. Waiting for you brothers and sisters to call in and donate inshallah ta'ala.
Itikaf 2026, alhamdulillah. We have a brother here that's here every year inshallah. Assalamu alaikum Sheikh. This brother's here as always. We're all ready to go. We've got our numbers, we've got the people.
Alhamdulillah, this is my first time at Green Lane for Itikaf. I saw a video on the Green Lane Masjid YouTube channel of what was being recited for Tarawih, and this is kind of what made me come here today for Itikaf.
The different rewards that you are receiving. You are fasting, you're praying qiyam, you're doing itikaf, you're reciting Quran, and one of these acts of worship is enough. And it is so virtuous.
So we just had iftar with the fundraising volunteers. They've all gathered here today. We played football for a while, and now we offered them Dixies. And this is the first time they're this silent. Usually they're loud and screaming, but I'm very proud of them right now. They're eating in silence. So alhamdulillah, it's very peaceful inshallah.
It's very nice to help out the ummah, and we stay until like a very long time. So.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we're going to have our qiyam salah with Ustad Anas and Adnan Majid inshallah. So I'm just setting up the camera.
So for the past 8 to 9 years, I've been on a hunt trying to find the Quran of Asbahani. And every single time I go Dar Makkah, they say we don't have it, it's out of stock. And then this year, I finally got my hands on this, alhamdulillah, which is Warsh min Tariq al-Asbahani. And when I found it, I kissed the head of the man who gave it to me, may Allah bless him, because of how much I really wanted it.
إن الله مع الذين اتقوا والذين هم محسنون.
Alhamdulillah, we got a substantial amount, alhamdulillah, collected tonight. Jazakumullah khair, but don't stop, carry on donating. The brothers will be here until Fajr time, inshallah ta'ala, so tune in and donate.
Okay, alhamdulillah, we just completed Tahajjud Salah with Sheikh Anas and Sheikh Adnan, and now, as you can see, the brothers are having the suhoor.
Please keep bringing Adnan, keep bringing Anas. That combo is dangerous. I'm telling you, in the UK, watch out for that. I'm telling you, that combo is doing madness.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah ta'ala, it's after Fajr and I'm about to start the tafsir of Surah Al-Imran, inshallah ta'ala, to come.
Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam and his Sahaba gave him refuge. Before Islam, what were they like? Before Islam, they had a ongoing...
How to make the most out of the last few days of Ramadan.
Alhamdulillah, Ramadan is only a few days and you will wish that you benefited from every second when this time goes away. Ibn Jawzi, he says, if the people of the grave were asked, have one wish, make one wish, they would have said, we will wish for one day in Ramadan. So you're in it, benefit from it. Ask Allah Azza wa Jalla for tawfiq.